Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can convert a section in your page of your website project on Webflow into a container. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will need to navigate to a website project, to the web designer on Webflow, select the page on the left hand side. I will go with this example page here. And next guys, let me insert a section. So to do that, click into that plus add elements button in the top left, select structure here and choose section and drag it where you'd like to place it on your page. I don't know, here, and you will see the section here. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. You either navigate to the navigator on the left hand side or use the shortcut Z and look for the given section here. Or you navigate through your page here in the preview, right click into the section, then hover mouse over convert to, and you will see various options: custom element, div block, container, grid, so on and so forth. So choose container, and as you can see now, this section has been reshaped to a container. And now you can add elements and components to it like a container, not a section that covers basically an area from the left to the right margin or border of the page. So a container looks like this, slightly different than a section. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.